wondering what the hell they're doing. This is a computer. I know it doesn't look like a computer, but it is a computer. So basically, this is a computer, as I've said. So it's more of a short drama. It's an ad. So just listen. Good morning, Miss. My name is Vidya, and I've got this crazy assignment that I have to do. They asked me something about computers. I do not know what the hell is that. I'm only doing grade 7. I don't know what they're asking me to do. They told me something about a computer. They said some things that are like there are inputs and outputs. I do not know what the hell that means. So please help me.
Okay, so I'm going to help you. This is our computer system. In here we have a keyboard. A keyboard is used for input. In here we have a screen.
That looks like a TV.
No, it's a screen. It is used for output. In here we have a mouse.
But man, this thing is closed. I don't see anything happening. Why is that?
Okay, that is why we have what is called a switch.
Okay. Wow, now I can see the pictures. Okay, but ma'am, I've got a few questions I have to ask. What is an atom? I learned in science. I don't know what is an atom. Can you help me search what is an atom?
That is very easy, Sarah. Let's do it. Right in there, atom.
An atom is the smallest particle of an element. So this is protons and neutrons and electrons. Protons and electrons must be equal in order for an atom to be neutral. If protons are greater than electrons, then it will be a positive ion. And if electrons are greater than neutrons, then protons, it will be a negative ion.
Wow, this is so amazing. Ma'am, but this new organization I saw, like I saw children wearing t-shirts and all. The name of the organization is TRP. Can you search information for me? I want to join.
TRP stands for the United Group. It's an organization created by people from the US. They saw the opportunity for helping children in South Africa, and they have expanded in every country, and they are helping children to assist them in social development and leadership skills and community development.
Wow, that's like so amazing. I'm going to go ask my mom to buy me a computer.